Okay, hello guys.
Back. This is my second day, right? So, kahapon 240 something and then napa 850 ko something. So ngayon, this is my second day. I am expect same just like kahapon, same strategy. And nagbaya ako dito 57. Just like kahapon nga, pag natalo ako ng 3 times, stop. Kahapon pala 4 times ako natalo pero okay lang din naman. Okay ngayon. Okay, 1 win, 57. So susubukan nating 100. 9. Okay, 1 win. Hanap ng iba. Okay, let's see. Hanap muna. Um, so, oh no. Why did I buy? It's still not forming a sign. I think I have a sign. I might lose. Kasi forming pa lang pala siya ng base. Itong area na to, nagfo-form siya ng base dito. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa sigurado kung saan pupunta. Mukha yatang first lose. Anyway, one lose tayo. So, buy ako ulit. So, magbabay ako. Ngayon, so, yung ADX, nag-form na siya ng going down. And then, kanina, tama pala ako kanina, umangat siya. Kaya lang, kinapos sa oras. Dahil nga, forming pa lang siya ng base dito. So, ayun, kinapos sa oras, talo, 1 lose. So, 2 more lose and then stop for today again. And then, we are win. Susubukan ko tong subukan ko pa 192. I mean, see. Hanap na ang iba. So, forming siya ng base. It will go down or go up. Ito. So, what the frick? What the frick? What the frick? What the frick? Second lose. Anyway, it's a lose, 100% sure. Okay, now. So I try to buy here. Okay, buy kasi forming siya ng base dito. So, nasa taas din tayo ng tatlong moving average. And then yung ADX is, as you can see here, okay. So, tulus tayo, tulus. Well, kahit pa paano nabawi. Nabawi, kaso 1 lose na lang, so magba 146 ako. 146 kasi 1,000 na, 800 kanina. So if matalo ako sa 1 lose na lang, no, i-stop na ako. So if matalo tong 146, so at least 200. Or baka so dahil umaga pa lang ngayon, mamayang hapon or gabi magte-trade ako ulit. Same, if matalo ng 3 times, stop, you know. So hanap ng iba. Okay, so let's see here. Nag-sell ako because I'm expecting we are down tatlong moving average, and then ADX signing siya ng going up, so I'm expecting it go down. Okay, it's a win. Win-win. Gawin natin 150. No. 150. So yun nga, tumaas na siya. So try to buy. So kaya ako nag-buy kasi in dalawang moving average, 7 SMA and 10 SMA, 10 EMA na cross, and then yung ADX na cross niya yung baba, so I'm expecting it go up naman. Mukha yatang 7 sec. Naglaro siya sa kinapos sa oras. I mean, let's see. Di ba? Tama ako, umangit. Kinapos sa oras. Wait, isa pa. Dalawa. Kasi last na to, talo na ako ng 3 times. And then tama na, so last trade ko to. So follow the rules and don't push. So if this win, I will stop because natalo na ako ng 3 times. Rules, follow the rules. Follow my rules, you know. Okay, it's a win. So kinapos ako ng oras kanina, visit na yan, pero okay lang. Okay, I will stop. So today I'm done because I already 3 times, right? But I still win. Day 1 240 something, napa 800 ko siya. So day 2 800. See the result. So 857 naging 14 sa day 2. So I already lost 3 times. Now I will stop. Tomorrow again. Control the emotion. Mahirap na, baka matalo. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.